Next up, we're going to go to embedding. How can we embed videos or other stuff from other socials, let's say our Facebook, our Discords, and our YouTube videos. So for that, let's just go to a post, and on this post, let's just embed a few things. So go to posts, go to add new, and we're going to start up a brand new post. I'm just going to call this socials. And let's get started with a YouTube video. Now you're going to get a few choices here. So if you go to block and you search for YouTube, that's going to be one choice. You can simply click this here and you can just put in your YouTube URL. So let's come over to my channel. Let's go to my channel again. And let's just embed a video. So I'm going to grab the URL in this case. Let's go to WordPress, our WordPress site, and let's click embed. Now this will automatically put our video on there nicely, and yeah, pretty much fills up the whole screen. Now if you want to do this through code, you can do this again by going to plus. However, this time we're going to go to custom HTML. This time we're going to return back to our YouTube. Rather than sharing the URL, we're going to come down to share and we're going to click embed. Double click all of this. This is the code that you're going to need, and then you can come back to your HTML, paste that in, and if I click preview, it's going to do exactly the same thing. As you can see though, it is a slight difference in size. However, with the HTML, you can actually edit that out. As you can see, if we go from preview to HTML, you can see width there. I can change that. You can either change it to in pixels, or I'm going to change this to 100%, so it's going to be the full width of whatever screen it's on. This works quite well for if it's a mobile. It doesn't full screen and go over the mobile size, it will stay on the full screen size, and if it's a PC, it will do the same thing. So change that to 100. If you need to change the height, for instance, if I want it not to be 315, I might want mine to be 500. I'm going to click that there. Let's go to preview, and as you can see, the sizes have changed and it actually looks a little bit better. So basically, using the HTML, you can edit the code a bit more. Using the YouTube up here, you can do it, however it doesn't give you as many options. So let's say we got something on Facebook and we want to share the Facebook post. We also want it displayed on our website. You can come to the three dots right here. In the same way, we're going to go to embed, and it's going to give you a nice custom code. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to copy the code, we're going to come back over to our website, and we're going to do a custom HTML again. So if I click custom HTML, I'm simply going to paste that into there, and let's go to preview, and you can see that we now have a post, and this is how you can basically start embedding stuff onto your website, and it gives a nice live preview, so if something changes, it will also change on here. And what you will find, in fact, is that many social apps will have exactly the same sort of widget area section with custom HTML. For instance, with Discord, we can come to the widget section, we can get our pre-made widget, and again, it's going to give us the custom HTML. And then we can either come and add it to our widget section, or we can even add it to a page. So if I go to plus, we're going to go to custom HTML again. Let's go paste that in there. Let's do a preview, and you can now see that we have the Discord as well. So if we just go ahead and publish, let's do publish again, and then we'll just go check out the post just to see how all of our embeds have worked. And there you go. On our post, we have a live way for them to watch a video. If they press play, they can simply watch it on your actual site itself, meaning the engagement will be much higher, and also the time and usage. So if people are watching on the site itself, they're actually spending time on your website. Google and other search engines will read that and think this is obviously a better site. People are spending more time. We've got our second embed, we've also got our Facebook one and our Discord one too.